Hi, I'm Jerome with Gamry Reference, and today we're going to spend some time unboxing an eQCM 15M, and then we're going to show you what's in the box. Alright. So, immediately that comes out of the box is the eQCM 15M itself. Right away you can see the big G on the top of the body, and you've got the front panel with the BNC connector and a power button. What's new about the eQCM 15M is the fact that it is USB-C powered or USB powered. So that means that you only have one cable coming off the back and connected to your PC. So here we have some of the cables that are included when you purchase an eQCM 15M. I'll start with this. So the USB-C cable is included, and we always recommend that you use the one that's in the kit because not all USB-C cables are made the same, and so this system has to be able to pass all the data that's coming off the resonator of the 15M. So might not be visible from there, but there are a pair of 2mm bananas ports, and we include a cable for each one, and it is color coded so that you basically can get access to the working and work sense, which is the crystal itself when you load it into the cell. We include a grounding cable in case you need one. What's unique about the eQCM 15M is that it is a floating eQCM system, which is different from most, and I think that's a competitive advantage. You do get one pack of 5 megahertz gold coated crystals. That's quite nice. We also give you a second USB-C cable just in case you need one more. We also give you a USB hub, and so this allows you some more configurations regarding how you're going to connect the unit to your setup in your lab. Finally, there will be a big box. This box here is for the temperature controlled eQCM sensor holder. There's two main components to this kit. The first being the actual temperature controlled cell. So you'll see right here, this is the aluminum shell. This is where you can flow water through, or thermostated water through the outer shell, and control the temperature of the quartz crystal that's been mounted into it. We have some tools, including Phillips screwdrivers, as well as some forceps. That'll help load the crystal into the cell holder. And then we also include the static cell, which is about 10 milliliters. It can hold about 10 milliliters of water. And this guy, although it's packaged separately, will slide into let me do this real quick. And we have a separate video for this, but it slides in like this, and this creates the cell that connects to the 15N. So included in the box is the actual BNC cable shown here. So this is what connects the cell to the 15N. So if we were going to do this real quick, it would look something like this. As shown here. Alright. Finally, included with every box is just a simple quick start guide. Although to get you started and show you how to mount a crystal, we're not going to go through that here. But we do always recommend that you go to our website, gamry.com, for more information, and also to learn a little bit about how the eQCM works in terms of tracking mass over time. One thing out of the package is actually the quick start guide for installing the software in your for your eQCM 15N.